The night felt quiet inside the healer house when Bingo suddenly froze near the hallway. Her ears twitched at a strange creak from the shadows, and her tiny heart began to race with uneasy fear. She whispered softly, "Bluey, did you hear that?" her voice trembling with worry. Bluey turned, tilting her head. "It's probably just the wind," she said with a calm smile, but Bingo hugged her tail tightly, still shaken. The hallway looked darker than usual, and every little sound seemed louder, echoing like secret whispers. Bingo's paws shook, and she muttered, "What if it's a monster?" her eyes darting nervously to every corner. Mom stepped closer, kneeling beside her. "Sweetheart, you're safe. Nothing here can hurt you." But Bingo's imagination painted pictures of spooky shapes on the wall, and she buried her face in Mom's arm with a tiny whimper. Bluey tried to lighten the mood, making funny faces and bouncing around, but Bingo barely giggled, still lost in her anxiety. 10 seconds later, Dad appeared with a flashlight, shining it playfully on the walls. "See," he said, "it's just shadows," and he made silly animal shapes with his paw. At last, Bingo peeked out, her fear softening into curious wonder as she saw a bunny shadow hopping happily. Her tail wagged a little, though her voice stayed small. "It's not so scary after all." Mom kissed her forehead gently. "That's my brave girl." Bluey wrapped an arm around her sister, whispering, "Whenever you're scared, I'll be right here." Bingo sighed with relief, the heavy fear melting away like snow under the warm sun. The family laughed together, turning the shadows into a game. Bingo smiled at last, whispering proudly, "I'm not scared anymore," her heart steady with new courage. Bluey turned toward the camera, her grin wide. If you liked Bingo's brave little story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more adventure.